study the muscles of the arm, forearm, and some of the shoulder. So one of the first ones that we're going to do is the triceps brachii. This is going to be on the back side, on the anatomical, it'd be the inferior side of the arm, and that'd be the triceps brachii. Almost looks like two muscles here, but it's three separate connections. 1, 2, and 3, making it the tricep. Then we have on the superior side the biceps brachii. And so that's going to be this major muscle right in here. Okay. Then just deep of the bicep brachii, this muscle right here is the brachialis. Okay. And then moving along, we have the brachioradialis. So it attaches at the brachialis and crosses over next to the radial, and so you have the brachioradialis. Okay. Then we have, let's see, how should we do this? The
overachievers. See you over there.
Pause for a second. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and do the anterior forearm. So we're going to do the posterior teres. I might be pronouncing that wrong, but this is what's going to protonate your arm to give you that twist, and that one is going to be right here. The flexor carpi ulnaris. So this is going to go ahead and flex your fingers, and it's going to go next to your ulna. So the flexor carpi ulnaris, it's going to go through your carpals. Then you have the flexor carpi radialis, which, like the ulnaris, is going to connect to your radial through your carpi. So flexor carpi radialis. Then we have the palmaris longus. So this is going to flex your palm of your hand. So it's the palmaris longus going right through. And then you have the flexor digitorum, which is actually on the deep side of this. You can kind of start seeing it from here, but the best way on this model is it's deep to all three of those muscles that we just went over, or 4 muscles that we just went over. Okay.
And where can you see that on the exterior of the model?
On the exterior side, you can just see it on the deep side. So it's this muscle underneath here. You're just seeing kind of like parts and pieces of it. Okay. So then if we go to the posterior side of the forearm, our first one is going to be the extensor carpi radialis longus. So again, we're going to go for the radial. And extensor carpi, since it's going through the carpals, extensor carpi radialis longus, right here.
Maybe rotate it so we can see it a little bit. There we go.
And you can see how it goes through, connects through the radial, through the carpals, and back up in. Then our next is going to be the extensor digitorum. This is going to flex all your digits. So extensor digitorum, this is going to be a set of muscles right in here. Then your extensor carpi ulnaris is going to connect through your ulna. So go ahead and look for your ulna. Extensor carpi ulnaris. And that is the arm and the forearm.
I guess it looks